Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Zillow Rental Manager for investor property management. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, visit the Zillow Rental Manager website. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Once you have completed the sign up form, click on Create Account. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Zillow. Click on the link within that email to verify your account. Now, log into your Zillow Rental Manager account. On the dashboard, look for the Add a Property button and click it. You will be prompted to select the type of property you want to manage. Choose residential if you're managing a house or apartment. Next, enter the property address and click Continue. Fill in the property details, including the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. You can also add descriptions and upload photos of the property. Once you've added all the details, click Save and Continue. Review your property listing to ensure everything is accurate. Now, it's time to set rental prices and preferences. Specify your desired rent amount and any additional fees. Decide on your pet policy and other lease requirements. After setting your preferences, continue to the next step. Next, you can manage applications from prospective tenants. Set up screening criteria for applicants before listing the property. Review any tenant applications that come in through the platform. Once you have a tenant selected, proceed to the lease agreements. Utilize the online lease templates provided by Zillow. Make sure to tailor any terms to meet your specific needs. After finalizing the lease, you can digitally sign it with your tenant. Now, set up rent collection through Zillow Rental Manager. Fill out the bank information required to receive payments. Choose your preferred payment frequency and options for tenants. Once everything is configured, you'll be ready to manage your property. Check your account regularly for updates on applications and payments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.